Join me as I dive into the latest Bbai stock update and see if I can predict where it's headed next. Bbai is a company that's been making waves in the market, and its stock update is significant for investors and the market as a whole. The company's performance can give us insights into the overall health of the industry and the economy. Bbai is currently facing some tough challenges. Market trends have been shifting rapidly, and the company is struggling to keep up. Increased competition from new players in the market has also been a major concern. Recent news about supply chain disruptions has affected its stock price, causing investors to worry about the company's future. These challenges have taken a toll on Bai's stock price, which has been fluctuating wildly in recent weeks. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions will be crucial in determining its future success. Investors are closely watching Bai's moves, and any misstep could have significant consequences. The market is highly competitive, and Bbai needs to stay ahead of the curve to remain relevant. Bai's financial situation is also a concern. The company's recent earnings reports have been mixed, with some analysts expressing concerns about its profitability. The company's revenue growth has slowed down, and its profit margins are under pressure. This has led to a decrease in investor confidence, which is reflected in the stock price. Delving deeper into Bai's financials, we can see that the company's revenue has decreased by 10% over the past quarter. This is a significant decline, and it's essential to understand the reasons behind it. Analysts are divided on the company's prospects, with some predicting a turnaround and others warning of further declines. The company's management team is working hard to address these challenges, but it's an uphill battle. The company's recent earnings report showed a significant loss, which was worse than expected. This has led to a surge in sell-off, with many investors cutting their losses. However, some analysts believe that the company has a strong foundation and that the current challenges are temporary. They point to the company's innovative products and loyal customer base as reasons to be optimistic. In a surprising turn of events, Bbai has announced a major partnership with a leading tech firm. This partnership is expected to drive growth and innovation, and it could be a game changer for the company. The partnership will allow Bbai to expand its product offerings and reach new customers. This news has sent shockwaves through the market, and investors are eagerly awaiting the company's next move. The implications of this partnership are significant, and it could change investor sentiment. If successful, it could lead to a significant increase in Bai's stock price. However, there are also risks involved, and investors need to be cautious. The company's ability to execute on this partnership will be crucial in determining its future success. In summary, Bai's stock performance has been a rollercoaster ride, with several challenges and surprises along the way. The company's financials are a concern, but the recent partnership could be a turning point. Investors need to stay informed and adjust their strategies accordingly. If you have any thoughts on Bai's future, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and get more insights on stock trends, be sure to check out my previous video.